Hey everyone! Today, we are going to delve into a common problem that many of us face. Ulcers. Don't worry, we'll explore exactly how to get rid of ulcers step by step. This information is coming from respected studies and researchers in the medical field. So, stay with me, and we'll get you on the path to recovery. First, let's understand what ulcers are. Ulcers are painful sores in the stomach lining or small intestine. They are commonly caused by bacterial infections or long-term use of pain relievers. But guess what? According to research by the Mayo Clinic, they are treatable. Now, let's move on to the practical steps. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it. Identify the problem. If you are experiencing symptoms like burning stomach pain, bloating, or nausea, you might have an ulcer. The first step is to consult a healthcare professional. Researchers at the Cleveland Clinic in 2019 stressed the importance of proper diagnosis, so don't skip this vital step. Treatment plan. Step 1. Follow your doctor's advice. They might prescribe medications like antacids, and it's crucial to follow their guidance exactly. Step 2. Avoid spicy foods, alcohol, and caffeine. A study by the American Gastroenterological Association in 2018 found that these can irritate your ulcer. Step 3. Add more fiber to your diet. Researchers at the University of Maryland Medical Center have found that a fiber-rich diet can help heal ulcers. Step 4. Manage stress. Sounds hard, right? But relaxation techniques like deep breathing can help, according to a study done by Harvard Medical School. Follow-up and prevention. Remember, consistency is key. Follow up with your healthcare provider and stick to the recommended dietary and lifestyle changes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Together, we can overcome this issue and help others learn how to get rid of ulcers.